Hey everyone! Welcome back to Coder Squad, your go-to destination for learning Java programming. Today we're diving into a fundamental concept of Java, variables. Variables are like containers that hold data within a program. They enable us to store, manipulate, and retrieve information during the execution of our code. In this video, we'll explore what variables are in Java and how they work. Let's start by understanding what variables are. In Java, a variable is a named memory location that stores data. It has a unique identifier, known as its name, and a data type, which specifies the type of data it can hold. Next, let's talk about declaring variables. To declare a variable in Java, you specify its data type followed by its name. Here's the basic syntax. Data_type variable_name. Once we've declared a variable, we can assign it a value through a process called initialization. Initialization means giving a variable an initial value. Let's see how it's done. Before we move forward, it's important to know the rules for naming variables in Java. Variable names must follow certain conventions to ensure clarity and consistency in your code. Variables in Java have different data types, which determine the type of data they can hold. Java provides a variety of data types, including primitive data types and reference data types. Now that we understand how to declare and initialize variables, let's see how we can use them in our Java programs. Variables allow us to perform various operations and manipulate data within our code. And there you have it, an overview of variables in Java. Understanding variables is essential for writing effective and efficient Java programs. I encourage you to practice declaring, initializing, and using variables in your own Java projects. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with this fundamental concept. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!